Stamford American School, Hong Kong is delighted to announce the expansion of our world-class educational offering with the launch of a second campus in West Kowloon. This will be the new home for our grade 9 to grade 12 high school students. And this represents our commitment to nurture future-ready students with the skills and knowledge to thrive in an ever-changing world. Since its inception in 2017, Stamford has already earned a reputation for its innovative STEMing program and for the quality of its teaching and learning. I'm pleased that we're able to expand our presence in Hong Kong, especially as the city confidently sets out to become a leading global innovation hub and cultivate a family-friendly, talent-rich environment. Strategically located in the dynamic neighbourhood of Olympic, with a verdant harbourfront view, the new campus connects the study environment with true aesthetics and a wide choice of sports venues in close proximity for off-site opportunities. These include soccer pitches, tennis courts, and a running track supporting Stamford's high school program. Focusing on preparing students for university education, this new campus elevates the learning experience by offering autonomy and independence in an engaging learning environment. Providing a pre-university experience for our students ensures they develop the critical self-management and collaboration skills vital for success beyond high school. The design features a variety of collaborative learning neighbourhoods in different parts of the campus, encouraging social interaction without disrupting the flow of movement. This second campus marks an exciting new chapter for Stamford, establishing fresh horizons in academic rigour, creativity, and student autonomy horizons. This expansion isn't just about a new location, it's about redefining what's possible. In West Kowloon, collaborative spaces inspire tomorrow's problem solvers to be future ready. While the Home and Tin campus offers expanding learning environments where elementary and middle school students spark curiosity and build a solid foundation. As Stamford grows stronger and bolder as a through-trained school, we ensure a cohesive K-12 journey that nurtures global-minded leaders, equipping students with the skills, character, and the knowledge to thrive in our rapidly evolving world.